Telmo Sampaio. What the heck am I talking about? Let's go through this together. Hey, welcome to another video. I'm Peter, and if it is your first time here and you want to learn to code and you want to keep motivated to reach that goal and change your life, then start now by subscribing and click that little bell icon so you don't miss anything. Every so often, you are so blessed to run into somebody who just brings a ray of sunshine into your life. And I want to introduce you guys to another YouTuber. His name is Telmo Sampaio. Telmo Sampaio is awesome, and he's bubbly, and he's smart, and he's exciting, and he is a full stack web developer who's self-taught, who has his own YouTube channel. He does a lot of different types of videos. I had a great time sitting down recently with Telmo, and he did an interview with me for his channel, and I'm going to leave a link to that in the description. Go check that out and make sure that you subscribe to his channel when you go and see that video. It's a really fun one. You can get to know me a little bit better. It's about an hour-long video about some of my thoughts about coding, about learning coding, about some of the struggles, about just some of my backstory as well. So please do go check that one out. It is in the description. Telmo does a lot of very interesting interviews with web developers, but he also has a great gift for teaching. And he does a great job at doing tutorials for beginner and like intermediate learners of web development and just software development in general. He has a really very fun way of being able to take you through the process. He'll do like, an entire website from scratch using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. He'll be able to walk you through it in a way that you just all of a sudden just find yourself, hey man, I did it. And it's just, it's a gift. I really want to compliment him on that. Telmo has a really interesting story. He was from Portugal and he moved to the UK to look for work. I think he was like a social engineer or something like that. I forget exactly what, but he graduated. He couldn't find a job in Portugal, and he ended up in the UK and kind of out of nowhere decided to start doing web development. And his story is really interesting, and it's I love YouTube because you can get to know the people's backstory, and you can get to understand who they are and where they're coming from, and understand that they're so similar to you in their motivation for wanting to learn to code. And you can just kind of follow their progress and be able to feel like you're not alone. I mean, that's what I'm always trying to do here on Coding Connections, is make you feel like you're not alone in this long marathon tunnel of learning to code, man. You're not alone. You are not alone. That's what YouTube is awesome for. And I want to hear about who are your favorite YouTube coders. There's a lot of smaller channels out there that I may not have heard about and other people may not have heard about. Leave them in the comments, because we're all about sharing resources here on Coding Connections. Sharing resources, sharing the pain, sharing the exhilaration of coding, sharing the road to learn to code, man. That's what we're about. So make sure you leave that in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Rock on, do not quit, and keep coding! What do you say when you want to quit? I don't quit!